was curious. I was wondering why my car wasn't working and starting and shit. Well, I got my alternator tested. Comes to find out, it wasn't the alternator. It was the battery that they sold me was too small.
Ooh, my bad. Let me cut the light on. YouTube, man, y'all know what's going on. So, it's your boy Noski back with another video, man. Day in the life. We're gonna start hitting these day in the lives because y'all know I got the car, so I don't really got to keep putting the cars in this. So, what we finna do? I gotta go get battery. I can't do the oil change and shit, so I'm gonna kind of chop this vlog up over the next couple days because I got specific things I need to do before my birthday with these cars. I go to St. Louis this Friday coming up, so what I need to do is make sure I got this shit running right, make sure I take care of what I gotta take care of, and then I got a couple little extra things that I wanna do to the cars. So with that being said, man, I'm finna head over to AutoZone right now and try to find me a battery for my Scat Pack. The Scat Pack's been dead a couple months now. I don't leave it. I don't even care to charge it because it's like I leave it charged in front of my, you know, where it's at in back of my house in front of somebody else's house, and it gets stolen. So I leave it dead. The battery's dead completely. I was supposed to go buy a new battery, but it's just like every time I'm supposed to go buy, I really don't give a fuck to go buy because I don't drive the car. And I'd rather just be sitting parked with a dead battery than stolen. Bro. So this is what we finna do though. I'm finna pop outside. Go ahead and start this content for y'all, man. This is gonna be I'm gonna start doing 10-minute segments for y'all on Ski Gang Daily. So this is gonna be a 10-minute segment. I have been slacking a lot on content. I have videos to edit, AZ Motor Trends. I got some more Arizona vlogs that I have to edit. So today it's about getting back to that. So with that being said, man, we finna jump in the car, shoot over to AutoZone, see what they talking about with this battery, and then we'll come back and get the Scat Pack started. That's a little vlog I could do for y'all, man. I'm gonna chop this up between like 2-3 days, and it's pretty much gonna just be all car content. So, but it's DITL, so it's more of a y'all see it, but I don't gotta. It's gonna be more about what I'm doing, not the car, if it makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up, man. Instead of AutoZone, we pulled up to O'Reilly's. I already got the numbers from AutoZone, so I'm gonna pull up over here, see what the numbers talking about in here, and then we're gonna pick the camera back up, man. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find a cheaper battery than what I had got told on at AutoZone, but we're gonna see right now. See what accessories I can find for the car right now, man. Damn, solar powered jump box. I like that. Bitch, $40. I want to try that hoe just for the fuck of it. Trying to see. They said I need a tender. I don't know what a tender is, but I need that motherfucker. See, I should have came and got one of these instead of that cheap ass bitch I bought. See, he didn't even tell me that shit wasn't for my car with his bitch ass. This for V8s. It's supposed to charge the battery too though, so I'm gonna pick back up when I know what I'm doing. We wound up at AutoZone. I need an oil change on the HELLCAT and the Scat Pack, so I really don't know what way I want to go about doing this, but cause I know when I go get it done, they usually provide all that shit. I heard it costs more to get it done by yourself, if I'm not mistaken. Well, but you gotta pay for all the shit, so I don't know, but at the end of the day, they got these packages. I'm finna look to see what the batteries run. Bro over there said he could probably give me a better price cash on the battery. So I'm gonna see right now, man. I'm gonna see right now. But yeah, right now we looking for a battery. I had tried to start and all that shit. I mean the jump start and all that shit. None of that shit worked. So now I gotta try to, you know, look at my best. I'm finna get into all of this. Don't trip. All of this. But yeah, we finna go ahead, pick up this battery. I definitely need this battery. And I want to see what paint I need to spray paint my supercharger. So I want to spray paint my supercharger. So that's my next thing. YouTube, we found somebody to actually give us the battery at a discounted rate. None of that extra shit. O'Reilly, we on our way right now. Shout out to him, man. We on our way to O'Reilly's. need to get this shit done. So we're finna pick up when we get there. We on the way to go and get everything done. I'm going to get the battery right now for the scat pack. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, there's gonna be some quick vlogs. I'm not gonna be doing too much in these vlogs. This is gonna be what I gotta do daily already, and y'all just gonna watch it. So like I said, man, like, comment, sub. You see we in the big kitty, man. We on our way to go pick up this battery. Then I'm gonna let y'all know when once we get back to start installing the battery. I had a bug on me. What's going on, nigga? Just had to cash out. We got the battery, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Noski ain't broke. He just spent his money on cars, on broke. So let's go, man. Y'all spend y'all money on clothes and shit. I spend my shit on cars, on my cars. You feel me? And only one of these cars I pay a note for on some real shit. So anything else you see me doing, it's cause, you know. But no, I'm heading back when I get back to the crib so we can put this battery, man. I'm gonna show y'all how to disconnect and put the battery back in, since I know some people probably don't know. I feel like it was meant for me to pop outside today. Free promos, man. I don't care about that shit. Man, that's some of the best lemonade I done had. We finna get this battery in, man. I'm finna show you people that don't know how to change a battery, how to change a battery. So we finna do it right now. In order to take your battery out, we're gonna hook this here if y'all didn't know that's what this for. In order to take your battery out, you need a 10, if y'all can't see. It's a 10 millimeter. Damn, nigga. So, what we finna do is, excuse my trunk. It's mainly tools and shit, I ain't gonna lie to you. I just bought a whole bunch of car parts and shit, so. But yeah, so we're gonna see if we can mount y'all to where y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. So look, first thing you wanna do, I don't know what the fuck this is, I'm gonna keep it. First thing we wanna do is make sure, damn, I forgot I had this. I got so much car shit in here, bro. Look, I got this. This so I don't gotta use my hands. So I could be hands free. And I never use this, so I'm gonna start using that. But so you got positive, negative, right? Okay, cool. Y'all know that. I bet y'all do. All right. Well, so what you're gonna do is your battery. These are new. It's a new battery, so y'all know. Comes with a 3-year warranty. New battery, new connector. So what we're gonna do right now, insert this battery we are going to insert this battery. So we're going to put it here in this hole right here. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's where it's going to go. So we're going to put it right there. Okay, I'm trying to make it as clear as I can for y'all to see, which is not working very well. So what I'm gonna do is just this. I can't even hold this bitch for y'all, man. Fuck it. So what I'm gonna do is put it in, connect the negative and the positive, positive, negative, positive, negative. So you're just gonna connect that and then tighten it up. So I'm gonna do it right now and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. I was curious, I was wondering why my car wasn't working and starting and shit. Well, I got my alternator tested. Comes to find out, it wasn't the alternator. It was the battery that they sold me was too small. So I had to go pay 300 bucks for a new battery, right? So yeah, it's a $300 battery. Y'all think this car should be cheap, and it's not, man, at all. This car should not cheap at all. Oh, bro, lefty loosey, righty tighty. If you know, you know. So we're gonna. I had to switch my phone. My battery died. I wasn't necessarily. I had to clean this bitch. I ain't drove this car in 6 months, y'all. So let's go see what's going on now. Let's go see what's going on now.
See if we can get a crank out this mall. That, I ain't even let y'all see the cold start, but just like that, she's running, right? So now I'm gonna let her run for like 30 minutes. And then tomorrow we gotta go get an oil change. We got a oil change, fluid flush. I need to flush out the antifreeze and get some new antifreeze put in there. But other than that, man, she green, ready to go in there in registration. She needs her little emissions. That's it. Y'all like the video, man? Like, comment, man. It was just a quick battery referral. So I found out you need 800 amps plus to run starlights and shit like that. So I had the batteries I had was standard batteries, so they wouldn't hold my LEDs. So I went up to a battery with 830 crank amps. So that should be able to hold way more than what any of them batteries was holding. Y'all like, comment, man. I'm gonna try to do y'all some shorter videos with more help and knowledge, man. SRT knows.